Hey, Tiger families. This is Miss Rainwater, and I'm just trying to check in for a little bit to kind of give you a heads up about this new week that we're about to start. The platform is going to look just a little bit different, just to change it up a little bit for the babies. So I'm just going to kind of click through it with you so that whenever you log on tomorrow with your baby, there won't be any surprises. So when you log on tomorrow, this is what it's going to look like. And please don't forget to click on this paw that's right behind my face right over here, because that shows us your child's attendance for the day. Okay. The next page, once the morning announcements are created, then they will be posted here just like always. The AR watch party, there's going to be another book that's read, and then the test number is up here in the corner, just like normal. I do have a few parents that are sending me messages wanting to know other ways and that you can find books to read with your child. And I will send some more links out tomorrow. I know that Dolly Parton is reading books each day. Michelle Obama is reading some books each day. And then there's another YouTube link, Nani Reads. She reads twice a day. And I'll try to get together some links like that so that you can have some more books available if you're interested for you and your child. Okay. This next page shows you books that have already been read on the AR Watch parties, and then continues on here. We will continue the list here for the next 2 weeks because remember, we still have 10 more days of digital learning, 10 more days of digital learning in Carroll County. They will be over on May 1st, and then after that, we will have special activities that we will be providing for you and your kiddos. Have a new little screen here, just so that your babies can see me and the parapros and all the teachers out there in kindergarten. We miss y'all so much. So that's what this is for. Now the daily must-dos, this is the same also. Remember, we're still doing the Lexia each day. Dreambox right now is not working. So when you log on to Dreambox tomorrow, it might not work. They've been working on it this weekend, trying to get it up and running again. But if it's not working, don't worry about it. Just skip that. These are extra programs that you can do if you're interested, but you don't have to do those. Same thing here with the program logins, and same thing here with the days, just like all the other weeks that we've been doing this. That will be added in the morning. Same video right here that you can use to go over the sounds. This is very, very, very important. I would encourage you to please let your child do this at least twice a week, because there were some sounds that we were not able to cover in the classroom. And then that gives you the opportunity to go ahead and introduce those sounds to your baby. So when they go to first grade, that they will be ready to go. If you click on this link right there, if you click on the checklist, it will pop it out to where it's bigger, because I know some things are hard to see. So we've tried to embed links in there now that if you click on certain images, that they'll pop out and be larger, so they'll be easier for you to see. Next one is the phonics page. There's another lesson that I'm going over with the kids here, and then another little video for Silent E with Jack Harmon. This is going to look a little bit different right here. The reading slides. Every day this week, you're going to have a guided reading warm-up. It's nothing that the kids have to actually write on and do to turn in, but it's something that you're just going to go over it with your child each day to go over some strategies with them and just so they can practice writing. But it's very self-explanatory. It says first, time to practice guided reading. Your first grade teachers are going to love you. You can click on that and it will pop out so that you can make it bigger. Okay. You can make it bigger right there. But see, this says point to the first white dot. Press each dot on the arrow and go to the next white dot and repeat. This is just trying to teach them left to right progression. This is one way that we can help the kids find words that go along with the pictures, and then you're helping them to read and point to each dot as they read the sentence. And then down here, we're trying to teach them to use their visual cues and the illustrations also to answer questions. So that's the warm-ups that you'll be doing this week with your baby each day, Monday through Thursday, before they do their actual lesson. This week, they're going to hear a story called Pete the Cat, Pete's Big Lunch. Miss Duncan is going to be reading it to the babies, and then they can take an AR test on it. Math, you've got a little video, you've got a little activity. Tuesday, same thing, exact same thing. I have another lesson here, and then there'll be a different guided reading warm-up. Again, you click on the guided reading warm-up, and it makes it larger so that you can see it. And you can hit present here and it will get big again too. It will even get bigger. So I tried to make it as easily accessible for you guys as I possibly could. This is a fun little activity. I think the kids are going to enjoy this week. It's a directed drawing of Pete the cat, and it's going to give them exact directions on how to do it. And then it shows you what to post in the dojo right here. So see, it's the same format for the whole week. I did just want to go over this little guided reading warm up with you guys today because it is new for the kids this week, but I think they're going to like it. I had a few people ask me about, okay, sorry, let me say this real quick before I move on. Thursday, see where it says the guided reading and narrative writing? Okay, whenever we're all calling the babies right now on the one-on-one Zooms, and we're doing the ESGI testing so that the first grade teachers will have the most up-to-date data with your baby. I've been telling the ones that I've already spoken to so far that they're going to have one more writing to do so that we can make sure that they are remembering the rules to follow when you're having the writing. And we just typed a little checklist right here to help your child remember what we're going to be looking for. And they're going to be writing this week about their favorite lunch or their favorite restaurant. All right. It tells you exactly how to post it so that we can see it. Okay, moving on. Friday. I had a couple of people ask me if they had to do the work on Fridays. No, you do not. This is the Flex Friday that the county started last week. And this is a day that you can use to catch up. Like if you weren't able to get to something one day, or if you just want to have some fun family time, because I know this is super stressful on everybody right now. I get it. It's very stressful. I have a senior right now, so everything's up in the air with her all the time. And I miss all of my babies at school too. So it's just hard. It's really hard on everybody. So if you want to use this Flex Friday just to do something fun, to do something leisurely, however you want to use it, to best support you and your family, that's exactly what I want you to do. I would love for you to post some pictures in the Flex Friday link on the Providence page, just so we can see how you and your family are using that time. It always makes my heart feel good to see you guys doing things that you like. And always at the end, there's additional resources. I do want to bring your attention to one thing. The sight words, if you're still studying sight words, which I hope you are, this goes through November the 18th and 22nd. But if you click on that link, it will show you all the 100. Okay. It takes you all the way to the end of the year. So you can see those and you can continue practicing, especially for our kiddos that hadn't quite mastered the 100. I sent out a message Friday afternoon about the virtual field day. And I said, please look on the rotations for the virtual rotation board. And here it is here. This virtual field day information, field day letter, field day packet, field day score sheet. Please, please, please read over this as soon as possible. Okay. Because there are certain things that your child can do and they're going to have to do in order to win a medal, or I forget exactly what the prizes are, but they're all listed here. Please take the time to read over this information that Coach has posted under the PE for the virtual field day. Okay. Again, thanks for everything that you're doing. It means more to me than you can possibly imagine. I'm thankful that we are one family and we're all working together the best that we possibly can for each other and for the kids. And if you need me at all for anything, please reach out. I have to do one-on-one Zooms this week. I'm hoping that next Monday, I think, is the last day I'm going to be doing them. But this week we're going to do the entire class Zooms on Tuesdays and Thursdays because it's taken me about 30 minutes to do the one-on-one Zooms. So I can be working on those sometimes for 3 to 3.5 hours a day. So it just takes a lot of time because I want to make sure that I'm getting it just right so that it'll be ready for the first grade teachers again. And I like having that one-on-one time with your kids. It's nice to just be able to talk to them and, just catch up. So be looking for our Zoom invitations. We'll do it with the whole class on Tuesday and Thursday this week. And then some of you have one-on-one Zooms that you've already scheduled with me. So again, have a wonderful evening. Stay safe. Storms are coming again tonight. And I will speak to you soon. Okay. Please check your class messages on the class stories at least 3 times a day. All right, guys. See ya. Bye.